Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on Google Meet. You will click on Settings. Here we go to Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. In this list you will search about Google Meet and you click here. Then we click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.